Jella, linawin ko lang yung kanina ha. Iiwan mo lang ang competition, hindi ang legit.
Yes, yes po. I'm gonna be actually, I'm gonna be, if anything, when I do prods po, it's gonna be with legit for sure.
Okay. So, buti pinayagan ka ni Coach na mag-showbiz. Kasi baka instead of the other way around na ma-promote mo yung, napopromote mo nga yung dance pero hindi ka na nakaka-dance. Acting na lang.
Yes po, of course. Actually, he's one of the very most supportive people and from the beginning, he understood na showbiz is really, it was my plan.
Is there parang part of you na gusto ding maging parang teacher yourself, choreographer?
Right now, choreographer, I mean, maybe choreograph, but then not, I don't see it po as my main profession, yes. But to teach, yes, why not?
And as a dancer naman, Jella, kaya mo ba ng ibang genre ng dancing? Hindi lang hip-hop? Like, pag pinagtinikling ka namin ngayon, carry mo rin?
I can learn. I'm willing to learn. But then I wouldn't say kaya mo po agad. But yes, willing to learn.